party with the check up on. Because she never met nobody but the dumb baby. You pound them batches like a check up on. I ain't never seen nobody but the dumb. I say, baby, do you wanna be a check up on? Are you sure you can party with the check up on? Say she wanna party with the check up on.
Set your clips up, slow them down a bit if required, and keyframe so that your character is in the center of the screen. After you have added your clips, pre-compose the clips and head towards Effects and Presets and search up Twixtor for the velocity. Add Twixtor to your layer and then copy my settings in Effects and Controls. Here we pause for the input frame rate option here. You need to check the FPS of your composition and write the exact same number here. My scene pack was of 60 frames per second, so I am going to write 60 frames per second in the box in Input FPS option. Make a speed keyframe and copy my exact settings for smooth velocity. You need to increase the speed value to 200 so that your clips move faster on the beats. The first keyframe should be of normal speed, which is 100. The third keyframe should be the speed of 200. And the final fourth keyframe should be 100 again, so that our clips comes back to its normal speed. Copy all of the keyframes and place it on each beat. Remember that your second keyframe should be on the beats so that your velocity looks clean and smooth. Do that for all of the beats you marked in your clips. Make sure that your clips are in slow motion or the velocity will be messed up. After marking all of the velocity keyframes, your preview should be something like this. If it's not, it is probably because of the slow motion of your clip or the length of your clip.
Party with the check up on. Because she never met nobody but the dumb baby. You pound them batches like a check up on. I ain't never seen nobody but the dumb. I say.
Now you have the velocity. You can now add motion blur or RSMB to make it the smoothest, and in the end, add your watermark and CC to finish the edit. This was my first ever tutorial, and I know it wasn't the best. You guys can write your thoughts in comments below and join my Discord if you need help with any editing. Me and my editor's team will always be there. Like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.